Hello guys, welcome back to another video at Tim and Matt's Travel Reviews, and today we are at La Quinta Hotel and Suites in Page in Arizona. We booked a standard room and were given an upgrade on check-in to an executive room. So here we go. So here's the bed, very comfortable, and a great choice of pillows. They're not all the same. There is a good selection of soft and hard. A couple of side tables, the digital alarm clock, USB charging points attached to it, and an alarm, as all the lamps also have charging points and USB points. And it's the nice big TV and a set of drawers, of course the aircon unit. And we got a desk and chair for work or eating, and the executive side of the room gives us extra space with a nice comfortable sofa or couch. Again, plenty of charging and USB points on the wall as well. A nice lamp, and you get another TV. So you've got that one there and that one there. That's for bed, that's for the little lounge area. And here are extra sheets and another pillow if you need it, if 6 wasn't enough. Sorry if this is shaky, I haven't got my stabilizer today. So then we got the main hall and your wardrobe or closet. There's actually a proper one with a door as opposed to a sheet. Ironing board, luggage rack, and ice bucket, cups, microwave and fridge. And then the bathroom. Nice big mirror, lighting is really good in here, and your vanity area, all the towels down the bottom there, and the shower unit. It's a very new hotel, or at least it feels really new, and it's a really nice build, good quality. Look how quiet this is. Okay, and there we have it. It's a really nice hotel. Really pleasantly surprised. I've never stayed at a La Quinta before, and we actually assumed it was similar to just a standard budget hotel, but it definitely is not. Certainly it doesn't feel like it here. To be honest, I don't actually know what it's advertised as. If it's advertised as a budget hotel, then well done. They've punched way above their weight. I've got a feeling it isn't though. Also, something I wanted to show you. I've never seen this before. The eyepiece, it's still there, but they put this magnifying glass over it. You can see outside from standing back. Can you see the door opposite from here? It just makes it really easy to see outside. It's amazing. I've never ever seen that before. I love that. If you've seen that before in any other hotel, please comment below, because I'd love to know how popular or how many different hotels use those, because I love them. So if you're thinking of coming to Page, please consider La Quinta. It's a fantastic hotel. This is room 221. Really easy, friendly check-in. Yeah, and there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's given you a good idea if you're thinking of staying here. Please give a thumbs up, really appreciate that, and hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with any future videos. Any questions about the hotel or the local area, please leave below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Location wise, we are in Page in Arizona. It's a well located hotel. There's not loads within the immediate walking area, but it's close enough. Drive wise, everything's within a 2-minute drive, so it's dead easy. You've got the lake, which is a few minutes drive one way, and then you've got Horseshoe Bend, which is beautiful, a couple of minute drive the other way. It's Horseshoe Bend. Okay, well again guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you then.